Welcome back to Midpoint Library's Tips and Tricks videos. Today I want to highlight some of the ways that the Midpoint Library system can help you get ready to head back to school. Whether you're a student, parent, or educator, we have many different resources to support you on your learning journey. A couple of topics I want to highlight today are a few of Midpoint's databases, including Scholastic Teachables and Explora, our science toolkits, our connectivity kits, and I want to talk about some of the teacher services that we offer. So first, let's talk a little bit about some of our databases. The first one is Scholastic Teachables. This is a place where you can download printable lesson plans, activities, reading passages, games and puzzles, clip art, bulletin board ideas, and skills sheets. And this is for grades pre-K up through the 8th grade. And Explora is a great place for some older students, maybe 8th grade, high school, and even into college level, as a database designed for student research. So let's head to midpointlibrary.org and I can show you where you can find these two databases. So now that we're at our homepage, if you see these tabs at the top, we're going to go to e-resources, down to research databases. And you can find both of these databases under homework help, and you can also find them if you're just browsing alphabetically. But we're going to go through homework help, and we're going to scroll down to S for Scholastic Teachables first. So this is a very simple way to go about finding some activities that you can do at home, or if you're an educator and looking for things to help support you in your classroom, looking for some new ideas. You can browse by topics, you can look at their differentiation collections, their mini books, specifically for family help, and then it also highlights their new things. If you're looking for something in particular, or if you're trying to teach to a particular standard, you can always do a search up top. But they always feature kind of what their editors are looking at, and you can browse and see some of what they're promoting for this month. If you're just looking for a topic, you can even do something as simple as math for our keyword, and it'll bring up everything related to the subject of math. And then over here on the side, you can use your filters if you're looking for a specific grade level or anything like that. So let's head back to our research databases page and we'll take a quick look at Explora. So back on our homework help database page, we're going to take a quick look at Explora. Explora is much more of the traditional database look. It's just going to have a basic search at the top. It does have some specific topics if you're not exactly sure what you want to find, or if you're just trying to browse different subject areas. You can create an account with Explora. If you click up here, you can create an account, and then you'll be able to save searches that you do or create different projects and things like that. But this is great if you are maybe writing a research paper and you're just looking for different resources to help support you. So for example, if we go to arts and literature, and we're going to go ahead and just choose this first option of Farewell to Arms, and it's going to bring up everything in the database related to the title A Farewell to Arms by Ernest Hemingway. It gives us a great topic overview at the top, a little bit about the author, and then about the book specifically, and then it'll list everything that it has. You can use the filters up top if you're looking for something specific, like if you want to limit it to news topics or to magazine articles or specifically to academic journals. You can do all of that up here. And then you can even limit it to what's been published recently, or if you're looking for something a little further away. But this can be really great. If we click on our first one, it also has a wonderful citation tool if you need to cite it for any type of research that you're doing or paper that you're writing. So that was Explora. So let's head on back and see what other things we can help with your back to school season. A couple other resources we offer that you're able to check out and take home with you are our science toolkits and connectivity kits. Our science toolkits are great for the classroom or if you want to explore at home. Each kit comes with an informational book to assist with understanding, and we offer a number of different tools, including microscopes, circuitry, models of the human brain and heart, and we do also have a telescope. If you want to find what we have to offer and what we have on the shelf currently, you can just search Science Toolkit in the catalog and explore the options. And another new thing that we have at the library are connectivity kits. Each kit contains a Chromebook, a T-Mobile wireless hotspot, charging cables, and basic instructions for use inside a laptop bag. Downloads and files that you store on the Chromebooks will automatically be deleted upon return to the library. And one last thing that I would like to talk about are teacher services. We offer teacher cards, and you can qualify for a teacher card in a lot of different ways. If you're a public or a private school teacher, if you're a head preschool or a daycare teacher, if you're a home educator, if you're homeschooling, or if you're a state certified daycare provider. To learn more about the specific benefits of a teacher card, you can go to midpointlibrary.org, and under services, you'll go down to teacher services. You can also stop by any Midpoint Library location and speak with a staff member. So in closing, a couple of things that you can find at Midpoint Library. We have wonderful databases, Scholastic Teachables, and Explora. We have our science toolkits, our new connectivity kits, and teacher services. So anything you need to get you ready to go back to school, you can find here at Midpoint.